Here I have ALLVIEW X2 Xtreme, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device and how to remove pattern, password or other screen lock method on the following phone. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, let's use the following combination of keys: power key and volume up. Let's hold down together these two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys and release them as soon as ALLVIEW logo pops up on the screen. Let's wait a couple of seconds until the Android system recovery pops up. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys. Let's scroll down to highlight wipe data, factory reset, and press power key to confirm it. Scroll down again to highlight yes, delete all user data, and press power button to choose it. Right now the device is whipping all personal data, customized settings and installed applications. As soon as Android system recovery pops up again on the screen, press power key to reboot system now. The phone is restarting and rebooting. Excellent, as you can see, welcome panel just pops up on the screen, so it means that the hard reset operation is done. Now you may start simply activate your phone. As you may also notice, there is no pattern or a password protection, so everything went well. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.